Carving a turkey, most important thing first is take the legs off. Okay, so cut an incision through the skin. Okay, to reveal the joint, you push the leg open. So very similar to what you do with the chicken to start with. Okay, so cut that through, and you see the joint in here. The knife just goes in the joint to push that apart, and then that, once it's cooked really nicely, which our chef has done a very good job, that just comes away very easily. Okay. So then next, you need to take the wishbone out, which is this end. So you put your knife in and just cut back the skin. So then pull the skin away, just to make the wishbone accessible. You find the center breastplate and just insert the knife down the bird, all the way along, down to the breastplate. And then using a fork, or if you're at home and you want to use your fingers, you can do, pushing the breast away, and then just running the knife along the ribcage bones, just to release the meat. So once you get to here, you'll see and then you just carve around the wing. To give yourself the whole breast. Like so. Okay. And then with the breast, you can then carve that a lot easier, just doing nice slices. So then everyone gets a nice piece of skin with their turkey, and it makes it a lot easier to carve rather than trying to carve the breast still on the carcass.